See, we have seen in earlier occasions, not only during New Year, but even in other occasions also, where such congregations take place, be it for Kadleka Parishe or Aureka Parishe and other things. Certain youngsters, they use these different type of visuals, and it creates very harsh and strong noise, and it irritates the other persons, and they also try to use it for eve teasing and other things. That's why we have said that such visuals which create nuisance to the others, irritation to the others, should not be used or need not be used. Similarly, some persons walk with mask, that too, different type of what are they called, V mask V mask or something like that they call it. They also look very ghastly if the other person sees that one, especially in crowded areas where youngsters, children and families are there. These things look a little ghastly, so that's why we have appealed to the people not to use these kind of masks. It also hides their identity.
So whistling through instrument or normal whistling also?
I think I have answered my question. There is no point in beating around the question. No point in whistling around.